hapana zvamunondiita, hapana kana hapana.
Embattled businessman Wicknell Chivayo has sparked outrage after making a bold statement amidst corruption scandals. While enjoying his breakfast, Chivayo declared, "Hapana zvamunondiita, you can't do anything to me," which many Zimbabweans interpreted as a taunt. Critics quickly pointed out that the breakfast he was serving was likely funded by state funds which he allegedly misappropriated. Chivayo's audacity has fueled speculation that he enjoys high-level protection, particularly from President Mnangagwa, with whom he has been spotted at numerous recent events. The businessman's defiant statement has drawn widespread condemnation, with many calling for accountability and transparency. The development comes as Zimbabweans demand answers on the alleged corruption scandals surrounding Chivayo's dealings and his colleagues.